Hello, this is Mentor Sabrina, and in this video I will show you how to use lists in Python. So to create a list, you give it a name, whatever you want to call it. And there's two things you can do. You can either use the square brackets, or you can write list. That creates an empty list. If you want to put something in your list, let's try this. You can put anything in your list. You can put numbers, you can put words, you can put floats, you can put anything in your list that you want. Anything that you want. Now, if you want to just print the whole list, you can write print and then the name of your list. If you want to access just one value in your list, you would write the name of your list, and then inside square brackets, you put the index. Now, the index starts at 0 in your list. So the first thing is 0, 1, this is index 2, this is index 3, this is index 4, 5, 6, and 7. When I hit run, this prints out 2 because this is at index 3. If I want to print out all the values from 1 to index 5, I would write it like that. It prints out what's at index 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it does not print out index 5. The second number is not inclusive. If I want to print out everything, let's try this. What do you think that will print? It prints out everything up to, but not including index 4. If I want to print out everything from a certain value to the end, I would write this. So this will print out from 3 all the way to the end. If I want to change a value in the list, let's change index 6. I would write equals and then whatever value I want it to be. And then when I print my list, that value is now changed to say people with an exclamation point. If I want to change multiple values, I can do if I do this, this will change indices 3 and 4, and I can write 2.7 and roar. And when I print my list, it changed 2 to 2.7 and world to roar. If I want to get the length of the list, I use len, which stands for length. And then in parentheses, I write the name of my list. There are 8 things in this list. I can also loop through my list. So I can do 2 kinds of loops. I can use the loop word use2 or some counter in range. And inside I write the length of the list. I equals, and then my list at I can do this. Or I could do this. This says for each value in the list called my list, I'm going to print and this goes through each one and sets the first value, which is 4, to value and prints it. Then it sets hello to value and prints it, and so on and so forth. I can also append to my list, to the end of my list, by doing we rule the world. And when I print my list now, you'll see at the very end, it has we rule the world as the last thing in the list. And that's all you really need to know about lists.